Hello guys, this is 2004 Corolla. Have you been driving and you notice your check engine light is blinking and you're confused? What could be wrong? Yes, definitely something is wrong, and that's why the check engine light is blinking consistently. That means the problem is from the engine, and so particularly we are going to take a look at the engine plugs. There must be something wrong with the engine plugs. So what do? We've got to open the hood right now and go and check what's wrong. So this is the engine compartment. We are going to open up the engine cover and then we'll bring out the plugs and see what's wrong with them. Okay, these are where the plugs are located. This plug 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4 plugs there. So we're going to remove them one after another and examine them. So you just slide this and remove that. Remove this the coils. Slide this and remove this. Remove this other coil. Slide this socket here and remove this coil as well. Slide the last one. Shift this so that you can have space. Then remove this last coil. Okay, so we're going to bring out the plugs one by one. Okay, so just put this. And then we'll bring it out. You can do it yourself, so I'm doing it myself. If you can see, that the plug is soaked with black soot, so you can see it very well. That's why the check engine light is blinking. So we're going to remove this as well and see. You see it? Yes, this one too is black and with oil particles on it, which means something is wrong. So the check engine light is blinking. Remove this one as well. See that though this is a bit better, but it's also soaked with some black soot as well. So you can see this one as well is soaked. It's having black soot on it, so definitely the plugs are not firing properly, so that's why. So what we're going to do now is to change the plugs and take a look at the check engine light again and see if it will blink, but definitely it shouldn't. So now we're almost done with changing the plugs with the new plugs. So make sure it's reasonably tight. Then we have to put the coils back. back. Make sure all the sockets are in. And then we cover the engine back. Yes, now that the engine is covered, we'll go and start the car and take a look at the check engine light once more. So here we are back into the car. We'll now start the car, and as you can see, the check engine light is no longer blinking, which means we have fixed the problem. So you are good to go. These are things that you don't really need the mechanic to do for you. You can do it for yourself, and you continue your journey as quick as possible. So once again, I want to thank you for watching, and to keep getting information on how to maintain your vehicle and how to fix your emergency problems while on a journey, you should just simply subscribe. I'll be uploading more as the days goes by. Thank you.